Hey guys, Mark here from Dino Paints. On this video I've got Stacy in once again from SL Airbrushing.
Thanks Mark, thanks for having me.
Stacy's going to be replicating some True Fire flames using our True Fire kit. Now the contents of the kit include our white, black, orange flame, yellow flame and yellow glow solid base coats. And the kit also comes with 3 candy colors which include red, yellow and orange, and also a violet pearl and the reducers for all of these products to suit. Now to give you guys a bit of an idea on this motorbike before Stacy takes it away and tells you a little bit more about the True Fire kit. Now this bike is actually a 10,000cc bike with 610 horsepower, and of course it's a V8 powered bike. So with that said guys, let's jump into today's video right now.
Typically starting with a black base coat, it is the easiest to learn this technique because any bleed from the candies won't show over the black. If you're using a white or a marbleized effect like we are today, it will sort of encroach into that color. So from the black base coat, you would use an orange flame color to map out the flame and the position of where you want it all to travel. Then we're going to build up into the yellow colors and the white highlights. Each of these colors will be accented with either the apple red, orange or the lime sulfur candy. They come with their own candy reducer, and there is also a violet pearl which I won't be using today, but that can be used to tip the flames. I will be doing freehand and stencil techniques to pretty much replicate the True Fire as best I can. Okay guys, this is the base coat colors from the True Fire kit. I will be mixing these at a 1:1 ratio, the same ratio that will be used in the candy colors later. I may over reduce this kit as I'm airbrushing. And I reckon I'll primarily be using the yellow, so I'll be coming back to fill that one up later.